What does it actually take to build a real AI voice agent inside Salesforce?
In today's session, we're going to do Agentforce Voice. There you go. We have Agentforce Voice setup instructions, and we'll just go ahead and follow step by step what is trying to propose and what's recommending, and we'll try to start building this. Have the bot created, and what we are seeing here is the bot builder interface. These are various particular topics on which a customer could ask questions related to this bot. And in case if a question aligns with one of these topics, then obviously we need to tell the bot what action it should take. Hi, can I work from home every day?
The hybrid work policy requires local hybrid employees to work a minimum of 3 days per work week in the office.